Welcome back to the final segment of Investing with Confidence. As always, I am your host, Joshua David, an online trading academy, the sponsor of Investing with Confidence, on their 25th year, teaching people skills just like you, skills and techniques to trade, invest in these financial markets, great opportunities in the markets. If you're not in these markets right now, you are missing out. If you happen to miss tickets to a free investing class right here in Bloomington, you can just call 952-814-4410, or you can just text the word invest to the number 484848. When you do that, we'll get a text right back to you, and you can get set up for this free investing class. Al teaches these. I teach these as well, and they're about 2 hours locally right here in Bloomington. So, Al, we have, in that last segment, we really talked a lot about 401ks, IRAs. We were referring to retirement accounts. Now, it's imperative and paramount, like you said, to have strategies for up markets, have strategies for down markets, but also have strategies for sideways markets as well. And I think a lot of our listeners are stuck to that one-way strategy, but they want to learn those techniques for up and down markets. Now, with the current market conditions, we have... obviously, markets are back at all-time highs again. We talked last week. So when we were talking last week, markets were crashing. Mm-hmm. Great opportunities. We were fired up. That was a great opportunity for people that were shorting the market. Now the market is coming back. Mm-hmm. So there's more opportunities as it goes up. So when you're talking about multiple directional strategies, how can people really use that strategy to their advantage but still be able to work? People work during the day. You got to be able to have a little bit of fun. How do everyday people actually get into these markets and do that with more confidence?
Yeah, most of our students are not, enthusiastic about sitting in front of a computer all day long watching a chart. That will drive you nuts. Then we'd end up coming to visit you in a lockup facility somewhere if you do that long enough. But so most people want to do this in a way where they don't have to pay attention, or very little attention, I should say, to what they're doing as far as investing and trading. That's what we do. Most of our students use a strategy and a trading platform that we have called Click that we give our students to use that really shows them how to minimize the amount of time it takes to put a trade together and be able to set a trade where you have identified where you want to get into the trade. Where's your entry point down the road in the future? And the future can be anywhere from the same day to 2 or 3 days from now, or a week or a year from now. But what price do you want to actually have that position entered? And then what if you're wrong?